Hello everyone. Welcome to the course, ISTQB Foundation Level, Agile Tester, Certification Preparation. In this video I'm going to tell what ISTQB Agile Tester is and why those who work or want to work as a software test engineer need it. Let's begin. The abbreviation for ISTQB is International Software Testing Qualifications Board. Was founded in November 2002. Since then, organization has achieved incredible goals. Let's check on organization website. ISTQB has created the world's most successful scheme for certifying software testers. As of October 2019, organization has administered over 920,000 exams and issued more than 673,000 certifications. The Agile Tester is designed for professionals who are working within Agile environments. In the ISTQB survey, Agile was indicated as the most widely used software development lifecycle, well over the traditional waterfall approach and any other development approach. The Agile Tester examination has been taken by over 10,000 professionals each year. Quantitative data clearly show that the Agile Tester syllabus has become a reference in the testing community. As of November 2020, it has been freely downloaded by more than 125,000 professionals. Basically, it means that this certificate is one of the most popular and recognizable in the world for test engineers. With this certificate it will be much easier for you to find a job on Agile projects and to enhance your career in this field. You are more likely to be involved in the projects where customers demand the certificate for tester. Now, when we know what is the exam and why we need it, let's check what we should know about the foundation level exam in the International Software Testing Qualifications Board exam structure and rules document. The exam shall comprise 40 multiple choice questions. Each correct answer has a value of 1 point. The maximum possible score for each examination is 40 points. A score of at least 65%, 26 points or more, is required to pass. The time allowed for each examination is exactly 60 minutes. If the candidate's native language is not the examination language, the candidate is allowed an additional 25% time, which equals to 75 minutes. So, what is needed in order to prepare for the foundation level exam? There are two things. First, relevant material for the test preparation. The syllabus is free and you can download it on the ISTQB website. Second, you'll need a lot experience of solving tests. In this course, there are hundreds of tests similar to those that you'll see at the exam. There are 3 chapters in Foundation Level Agile Tester. Agile Software Development. Fundamental Agile Testing Principles, Practices and Processes. Agile Testing Methods, Techniques and Tools. Accordingly, this course also consists of 3 lessons and we are going to prepare for it step by step. Lesson 1, 2 and 3 consist of theoretical part and test practice. Each chapter has 60 tests or more, distributed according to sections in the chapter. For example, Lesson 1, Agile Software Development, consists of 3 lectures. Lecture 1 is home assignment, which is theoretical part, where you need to read chapters from the syllabus and get familiar with terms. Next 2 lectures, the fundamentals of Agile software and aspects of Agile approaches, are related to test practice. Each section has 30 to 40 tests, similar to those you will have on the real exam. This questions distribution is done according to the syllabus, chapters and sections. If we will check syllabus, you can see same sections. Chapter 1, Section 1, and Section 2. This is done so you would be able to learn theory by small portions, one after another. So, first of all, you need to read the Fundamentals of Agile Software Development section from Chapter 1. As you see, it is only 3 pages in syllabus. And then resolve all tests in the course related to that chapter. Some tests are very simple, like first one. But those helps to remember theory perfectly. Depending from test complexity, some tests has explanations when you select wrong or right answer. For example, this question. You can see that if you select wrong answer, you can see additional information why the wrong answer is wrong. Sometimes it is sufficient. But I strongly recommend, if you make mistake, go to the syllabus and repeat section where you made a mistake. Even more, even if you found the right answer. But you don't understand why the right answer is right or why the wrong answer is wrong, You need to go to syllabus and find the explanation there. When we are learning chapter, our goal is not only to find the right answer, but to learn something new from test themselves, or at least recall the learned theory. So in this case you need to go to syllabus and read again section related to retrospectives. After 3 to 4 questions related to retrospective meetings, you would remember everything very well. Once you finish with section 1, go to section 2. And repeat the circle again. Read syllabus and go to the test. If during solving test, you don't understand why the right answer is right or the wrong answer is wrong, go back to syllabus, recall the theory, and read appropriate section again. Once you finish with all 3 lectures, you can test your knowledge on sample exams. There are 3 of them, similar to those which you will have on the real exam. Remember, your goal is to score 26 or more points in 60 minutes. It will be easy for you once you will finish first 3 lessons. All of this you'll be able to find in the Udemy course. If you are interested to pass the exams successfully, welcome to this journey. Link to the course you can find in description under the video.